pizza feast. It's not Friday, but I'm posting another video. St. Patrick's Day has come and gone, but the leftovers still remain. So today I'm going to bring two countries together. I'm going to bring China and Ireland, and we're going to call this the Irish roll. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to share the video, guys, and let's get started with the Irish roll. As I always do with all my videos, start with the supporting cast. Real simple ingredients. Leftover corned beef that I've cut up and kind of shredded up a little bit so it gets a little bit finer, but not too fine. You want to taste some of that. Then I got some just regular egg roll wraps. I got a little bit of Swiss cheese and a little bit of mozzarella, shredded mozzarella there in the bottom. Then I got my sauerkraut here, and I did warm that up a little bit. Sriracha, there we go, and some Thousand Island dressing. So those are mainly just for the sauce there, guys. So very simple, really easy. So sauerkraut, I'm gonna put a little bit in here and mix it up. I'll see what the consistency is like. At that point, we'll mix it up and see what's the ratio of corned beef to sauerkraut. I'll add more if I want to. Yeah, man, just a little bit more. I like sauerkraut. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it all in there. So we're gonna mix that up real good. And believe it or not, that's it, guys. The cheese is we're gonna mix that in the roll, but we're not gonna add that with the corned beef and the sauerkraut. But that's really it. So I'm gonna piece this together. We'll fry some up. So I got my egg roll wrapper laid out here. We're just gonna take some of the mixture of corned beef and sauerkraut, and we're gonna place it right in the middle. Just like that. I'm gonna add just a tad bit more. Sometimes you don't want to overfill them, but you got to get some consistency in there. We're just gonna place it right there in the middle. Then I'm gonna take some cheese, put right on top, just like that, and a tad bit of shredded cheese over the top. And then we're simply gonna roll. First, before we roll though, I'm gonna get my finger wet and I'm gonna run it around the outside edge here, just so it helps make it stick together. Like that. And don't be intimidated by rolling an egg roll. It's real simple. All you gotta do is take one corner, pull it over the center, and pull back just a little bit. So grab some of the ingredients. Take one edge, pull it over to the middle. The other edge, pull it over to the middle, and simply just roll. Easy as that. One egg roll down. So I'm gonna make about 4 of those, maybe 5 or 6. Well, I'll do one more for you. There's a wrapper. Run my finger around the edge here. Alright, we'll grab some of the filling up here. Place it right in the middle, just a little bit more. Grab some of my cheese. I put a little bit less in this one, guys. I think I learned my lesson on the last one. And you can use whatever cheese you want. You don't have to use the Swiss and mozzarella. You can use what you want to. Fold over the edge here. Make sure it's sealed. Fold over this edge. Make sure it's nice and sealed there. And simply just roll. There we go. There you go. Perfect egg roll. So I got my oil on there. I'm going to place my egg rolls in the basket. I don't think I'll be able to fit them all in here. I'll put one more. There we go. We're going to drop them. There they go. Look at them. Frying up, baby. Frying up. So we're going to let those go about 2 to 3 minutes until they get nice and golden brown. We'll take them out and I'll see what we got. Hey guys, look at this first batch. Nice and golden brown, cooked all the way through. I'm going to take these out and put them on a piece of paper towel. I'm going to drop my other 2 in there. I'm going to drop these down in here. Just like that, couple minutes, all it takes. All right, so like I was saying, I put a little bit of Thousand Island here in the bowl. Just regular Thousand Island dressing, your own favorite brand. And we're gonna add a little bit of sriracha to give it some kick. 2 already made pieces, but it makes an awesome sauce, guys. It makes an awesome sauce. We're just gonna mix that up a little bit. Give it a little taste. Oh, there we go. A little zing to the Thousand Island. All right, guys, there you go. The Irish roll. China and Ireland coming together. Beautiful combination. Took me all of 10 minutes to do. It's a nice snack. I don't know where you guys are at, but March Madness, college basketball, perfect snack for that. The Irish roll. Perfect opportunity to use the leftovers from St. Patrick's Day. You know, guys, so if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Wait a minute, wait, hold up. We gotta try this, don't we? Hey, if I was on a cooking show, I'd call this a deconstructed Reuben. But I'm not, so we're gonna call it the Irish roll. This is awesome. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.